Hi, my name is Hansen Johnson. I'm a PhD candidate with Dr. Chris Taggart at Dalhousie University and a guest student at the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution with Dr. Mark Baumgartner. I'm here to present a brief overview of the WHaLE's Habitat and Listening Experiment, or the MEOPAR WHaLE project, which has been supplemented by additional support from the DFO and CERC SWIM project. The WHaLE project was first established in 2014 by Dr. Taggart and Dr. Kim Davies, among others. The motivation was and continues to be the critical status of several species of large whales in Canada, particularly North Atlantic right whales. There are only about 400 right whales left and less than 100 breeding females. These and all other large whales face acute risks from vessel strike and fishing gear entanglement, as well as more chronic threats from noise pollution and climate-induced changes to their habitat. The overarching goal of the WHaLE project is to characterize aspects of the detection, distribution, habitat, and risk of large whales in Canadian waters to ultimately improve conservation outcomes. We do this using a wide range of tools and a diverse collaborative network. For the sake of time, I'm going to highlight some of our sustained work and then introduce each current member of the team and their ongoing research projects. A major focus of our efforts has been the use of ocean gliders equipped with passive acoustic monitoring systems to concurrently listen for whales and measure their oceanographic habitat. Since 2014, we've conducted 34 deployments and made nearly 800 definite detections of right whales. As of this year, these detections are being used to directly trigger dynamic fisheries closures and vessel speed reductions in Canada. Another effort has been conducting interdisciplinary research cruises in the southern Gulf of St. Lawrence in 2017, 18, and 19. Research activities included collecting visual, acoustic, and oceanographic observations in the presence and absence of right whales. Now I'm going to briefly introduce each of the current members of the team. Chris Taggart has been involved in right whale research since the early 2000s. He recently retired but remains active as a full adjunct professor. He serves as a facilitator and advisor for all of our ongoing research projects and remains an outspoken advocate for right whale research and management. Kim Davies at the University of New Brunswick is leading a variety of research projects on right whales. She's working on several projects to characterize right whale oceanographic habitat and prey field in the Gulf of St. Lawrence and Bay of Fundy. She is also in the process of validating a glider-mounted echo sounder for characterizing right whale prey, and she also leads several projects to inform and improve upon right whale conservation and management efforts, such as a recent trial of glider-based monitoring in shipping lanes in the Gulf of St. Lawrence. I'm involved with several projects seeking to improve our understanding of large whale acoustic detection. This includes a study characterizing the acoustic detection range of right whales from ocean gliders and moored buoys, as well as a study to quantitatively compare results from visual and acoustic surveys for use in dynamic management. I also work on several projects related to characterizing whale habitat associations using the shipboard observations from the Gulf of St. Lawrence, as well as ocean glider observations on the Scotian Shelf. I also developed and maintain an application called WHaLE Map, where you can find all the results from the latest whale surveys in eastern Canada. Meg Carr is a PhD student working on a variety of projects characterizing vessel strike risk to large whales. This includes quantifying how recent management measures have affected the risk to both right and blue whales in the Gulf of St. Lawrence. It also includes assessing strike risk from fishing vessels and comparing risk estimates between different large whale species and habitats in eastern Canadian waters. Delfin Duret is a master's student using passive acoustic monitoring to inform right whale management across a wide range of time and space scales. One of her projects uses an extensive network of acoustic recorders to map the distribution of right whales in Atlantic Canada over a 3-year period. She is also working to optimize glider-based acoustic surveys for dynamic fisheries management. Kim Franklin recently finished her honors thesis and has remained in the lab as a research technician. She's using a unique data set of concurrent acoustic and visual observations to make inferences about right whale calling behavior in the Gulf of St. Lawrence, and how it changes depending on observed whale behavior, demographics, or abundance. Valentina Sabalas is a current honors student using a simulation-based approach to compare results from visual and acoustic surveys to inform more efficient and effective monitoring strategies. That provides a very brief introduction of our project and some of our ongoing work. Please don't hesitate to get in touch for more information or if you have any questions. I'd like to finish by thanking the many incredible colleagues and organizations that make our work possible, and thank you for listening.